How much is it?
30.
30. Only but it's too big. Yeah.
Two, but this is 125. It has 5 cars in it, including that one.
Wow.
You
How
see
much
the
is
cars on the back.
Yeah, can I see that?
So those are the cars that are in there. Yeah, you had to order this. It's sold out in seconds. You can't just get it. One at the store. No.
Bro Sista, kalau yang baru salam kenal semua, nama gua Bayu. Jangan lupa video gua di share, di like sama subscribe bro. Thank you so much. Hai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh bro. Apa kabar bro dan sehat-sehat semua. Sekarang gua ada di pasar Loak lagi bro. Pasar Loaknya ada di Amerika lagi. Lu jangan bosan-bosan lihat gua ke pasar Loak kayak gini, karena memang kita mau mencari emas di sini, oke? Kita mau cari emas, kita mau cari Hot Wheels, kita mau cari yang macam-macam lagi bro. Oke, lu ikut gua terus, oke? Let's go. Hai bro, gua nggak bosan-bosannya pergi ke pasar Loaknya ada di Amerika bro. Karena hari ini gua yang pasti obrak-abrik semua barang. Lu udah ngeliat kan video gua yang sebelumnya, gua dapat barang yang super duper langka lagi. Hari ini nih gua bakal dapet nih, cuma lu nonton dulu. Halo, one adult. Alright, thank you. Alright, thank you. Misi gue yang paling pertama itu gue mau cari penjual yang jual Hot Wheels langka yang kemarin itu bro. Itu benar-benar langka. Gue lagi mau muter-muter cari ada di mana tuh orang tuh. Oke, kita coba cari. Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels box. Oh, okay. This Hot Wheels box. Oh, Hot Wheels box. Hello, how much is it? 5. Can I get 3 for this? 4. Okay, 4 then. Alright, 4. Is it 4? Alright, thank you. How much for this?
$1.
1. Alright. Do you have a Hot Wheel car?
Hot Wheel.
Yeah. Like a Hot Wheel collection or that?
No.
No? Oh, that one. Alright. Is there like a something on the box?
Oh,
No, no on the box. Only that one.
Cards,
Huh?
we have too many cards. We don't know.
Oh, you have it on over there?
Yeah,
Do you have like a something that's still on the box?
no.
No. Oh, it's already open up.
Out of the box, yeah.
Oh, it's all everything over there. Okay, alright.
All made.
Oke, alright, sure. Thank you so much. Sejauh ini belum dapat macem-macem bro. Sekarang gue baru cuman dapet itu tempat kotaknya Hot Wheel gitu sama mainan buat anak biar bisa tenang gitu bro. Jadi kita cari-cari lagi, siapa tahu ada Hot Wheel di sini atau ada sepatu-sepatu yang mantep. Lu ikut gue terus. Ini ada kayak mainan-mainan kayak gitu, diecast yang mainan-mainan.
How much are the cars?
I don't know.
How you doing? How much are all the cars?
Oh.
Oh, it's you. You selling them by each or by all of them?
Waduh, tiba-tiba ada bapak-bapak yang mau ngeborong semua diecast langka ini bro. Yaudahlah, kita cari yang lain dulu aja ya. Enggak. Semangat juang gua di hari ini nggak bakalan padam. Gua bakalan ngecari, ngeobok-obok lagi tempat ini. Ada kayaknya yang jualan yang mantep ini. Ini kayaknya langka-langka kayak gitu. Kita tanya dia. What car is it? Is it Hot Wheel? Or no? What's that?
What you call that? The racing thing.
Oh, can I see? Oh, you need a battery for this?
No. They have the track.
Oh, they need a track for that?
Yeah,
Okay.
they put on the track.
So, what kind of car do you have? Others car?
I have those.
What's that? What car is it? Is it Hot Wheel or
There's old.
old one?
Not a Hot Wheel, I don't think, but old.
Can I see? What year is it?
I have no idea, but it's old.
Oh, this is all. Oh, okay. Oh, so this one is like for the collection, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's not like a toys, exactly.
No.
How much is it?
Huh? 10 each.
This one?
The same.
Oh,
No, that's not the same price. That's 20 each. That's all. 19,
Yeah.
about 40, 30, 40, something like that.
Oh, is it also there is like the year of the car?
Yeah.
Oh,
Old.
Oh,
Very old. That's more older.
oh, I see. So old, yeah. This one have another car. Oh, so this is the Hot Wheel 2002. All right. Okay, this is Hot Wheel. Hot Wheel. Ini ada Hot Wheel lagi, bro. Gua nggak tahu nih. Ini gimana bentuknya, ini Hot Wheel atau apa sih? Oh, bukan diecast metal body, bukan nih, bukan Hot Wheel nih. Oke, Grand Prix. What year is it, bro? Tahun 85. Oke, ini Fast Rolling tahun 85, diecast body. Hey, how are you? I'm back again. I'm looking for a car now. Bro, tadi gua udah dapat satu ini nih, Hot Wheel nih, muscle machine namanya. Kayak gue bukan Hot Wheel deh, cuman kayak ini kolektif banget nih. Ini muscle machine bubble top. Wah, seru banget, bro. Gue dapat $5. Ntar kita bahas-bahas lagi gimana ya. Selain cari Hot Wheel, gua mau cari sepatu yang luar biasa mantap, bro. Dan ini bener-bener gua dapat sepatu mantap Air Jordan. Lu lihat nih. What size is it? Air Jordan. What size Air Jordan? It's 11. Oh, it's too big. 10. How much is it? 30. Only but it's too big. Yeah, only one size. Yeah. Wow. 30. That's good. Wow. It's Air Jordan. 11. Wow. Keren nih. Mantep. Oh, wah, keren ini, bro. How much is it? It's a different variation, the price?
Yeah, the different price. This is 30.
Oh, that's 30, alright. I'm looking for 10.5 size actually.
10.5
Yeah,
for you.
yeah. Is it used or new?
It's used.
It's original?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's original.
What's that? Oh, it's too. It's too small. How much is it?
35.
35.
35.
Oh, this one is cool. Oh, that's cool one. That's cool. How much is this one? Oh, there's price here. 25.
25.
Oh, that's 25. Wow. That's cool. This is Stephen Curry.
Yeah.
Oh, this 10. Wow. It's too small. How much is this one? 25. This is 25. Oh, okay. I see. Wow. Alright then, next time then. See you. Thank you. Waduh, belum ada ukuran gua, bro. Adanya itu lebih besar sama lebih kecil. Ukuran gua tuh 10,5. Udah gua cari-cari kemana-mana, udah gak dapet gini. Kita cari lagi, gua bakalan dapet nih. Look at the shoes. That's cool shoes. What size is it? That's cool shoes. What size is it? So, yeah, 11. That's cool one. How much is it? 7. Okay, 7. Phew, 7, bro. Asik ini batu lari. Golden slime. Okay. Keren ini asik. Can I get a 5 for this?
Oh no.
Yeah?
No, 7 is the price.
All right. No 6.
No, I got for 10, but keep. Let's say 7.
Okay. All right then. Yeah. Fine. No need back.
Yeah.
Luz.
Yeah, alright, sure, thank you. Dan gua hari ini dapat banget good deal bro, good deal sepatu asik. Sepatu asik tuh gua tahu banget harganya tuh. Harganya harusnya kalau di toko gitu kayak $120 bro, gua cuman dapat $7. Sepatunya sepatu bekas sih bro, cuman ya masih mantep kayak gitu. Kita lihat sepatu-sepatu yang lain, oke? Let's go. Ini ada Air Max. Keren nih Air Max nih. Halo. How much for this? 10. 10? Oh, that's
¿Cuánto por esto, Luz? Oh, 20 por that one.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
So the price is fluctuative, yeah. Sometimes up, down. Nike, alright. It's cool. 20. Alright then. Okay, sure, thank you. Sepatu udah dapet, kotak-kotakan Hot Wheel udah dapet, tapi ada yang masih kurang nih. Gua harus cari Hot Wheel yang super duper langka bro. Kita cari, masih ada waktu sekarang, oke? Stay tune. Oh, this Momo. Oh, this is Volkswagen. Nissan, Volkswagen, Ford, Rogers, Pontiac, Jada. Oh, this is Jada. Jada. Jada toys. How much? How much is that?
You know, I was asking 5. I'll do 3 for that one.
Oh, for that one. All right.
$3.
So, I mean, you have only this is Hot Wheel that you got?
Yeah, this
Yeah.
is pretty much all I have.
Oh, okay,
My-
okay.
If you have,
You have like the old one, old like a really vintage.
no. My friend on that side, that side, there's a metal covering. He has more Hot Wheels there too.
I'll take
Yeah, he
it.
has
Oh,
more
that's
toys.
soon here. Okay, all right.
So
How much
these
one of this?
These are going to be pretty much
Ah,
$2 or 3 for
$2.
5.
yeah.
These are going to be 3 or 2 for 5.
Oh, 2 for 5. All right. Okay, let me take this one.
Okay.
And then Porsche.
Yeah. And those are treasure hunt.
Oh, that's a treasure
But
hunt.
the regular treasure hunt.
Which one is
They're
it?
still nice.
Oh, that's a treasure hunt.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. All right, so it's in Skyline.
The Scooby-Doo Batman.
No. This is what? How much? 5 for? What's it?
This is the $3 or
$3.
2 for 5.
Oh, 2 for 5. All right. 2 for 5. Jada diecast.
That one I'm asking 55.
Jada. What year is it? Are you collector too?
Yeah, a little
Yeah,
bit.
yeah.
That too.
Yeah. People's looking for Jada too, isn't it? I cannot find this one on the store.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't really
It's,
see those.
I mean, I
anymore.
tried to find this one on the Walmart or something.
Yeah.
I cannot find it.
Yeah, I have more, but I left them at home.
Yeah. All right. So which one is a good one for Jada? I want to start. This one is best.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay. So white Jada. All right. What year is it? Is
I don't know.
2002.
Usually it says it in the back, or actually, you know what? Let me see. It says it right there on the card.
Oh yeah. I
Yeah,
see. I see.
50,
Old school Jada. All right then. Cool. Let's make it everything on the pail. How much is it on the pail? Everything. Yeah.
Give me 8.
Yeah.
Do 8 for all.
And can I get a 7 then?
8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
7 is okay.
Well, remember there were 3, so let me see, 3, 6.
Yeah.
Yeah, because then that'd be like 2 for this and $1 for that. So
Yeah.
I have to keep it at 8 for this.
Give it an 8.
Yeah.
All right then. 8 then. Okay then. 8 then.
Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Oh.
7, 8. And your turn. All right, sir. There you
Alright,
go.
sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Alright.
Appreciate it.
Okay, bye-bye.
Enjoy. All right. Take care.
Mantap bro, gua dapet banyak Hot Wheel kali ini. Dan ini adalah treasure hunt. Dan ada juga mobil Datsun yang keren banget. Tapi belum berakhir bro, gua mau cari tempat lain yang lebih mantap lagi. Tiba-tiba gue banyak ngeliat mainan yang super duper mantap kayak gitu bro. Ini adalah lumbung emas bro. Lu kalau jadi gua saat ini ampe bingung kelimpungan mau cari mainan yang mana ini. Ini semuanya adalah hot item semuanya. Dan kita harus banyak nyerok di hari ini, oke? bentar lagi gue bakalan tanya nih sama si penjualnya, mana dia yang ada barang-barang yang langka. Kita harus cari, ini investasi kita di hari ini. Gue harus borong di hari ini, oke? Oke, macam-macam ini bro. Oh, nggak tahu yang mana nih, kita lihat-lihat dulu aja ya. Mana yang bagus? Kita lihat. Mustang, Corvette, Porsche. Oh, this is Super Treasure Hunt. How much did you sell, Super Treasure?
That one's 50. I'll do 40 on it. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Let me put it here first.
Okay,
We're gonna
sounds
put
good.
it on the pail, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you need
It's ready.
some truck super?
Oh, this is Super too. Oh, this is Datsun. Okay, cool. Wow. Nissan Skyline. Calculate first, okay?
If I did all this,
Yeah.
it would basically be 110. So I basically would do 100. These ones I do 40 each. That's 20, so it's 100. I throw that in free.
Sorry. This one is 20.
Yeah,
100
you get
everything.
this free. Yeah, 100 for everything.
Oh, okay.
And I can give you a plastic for that if you want us to keep it safe.
Oh yeah, it's cool. Nissan Skyline. All right. How much is that?
$10.
$10.
Too, but this is 125. It has 5 cars in it, including that one.
Wow.
You
How
see
much
the
is
cars on the back.
Yeah, can I see that?
So those are the cars that are in there.
Oh, okay. So this is like special edition everything.
Yeah, yeah. You had to order this. It's sold out in seconds. You can't just get it. One at the store. No,
Oh, did you open up?
no, it's sealed.
Still seal everything?
It's still sealed in there.
Okay.
Oh no, brand new.
Okay.
This one you had to buy online.
Yeah,
The collectors.
yeah.
So the only way you could buy it, you had to call. I mean, you had to be online to order it when Mattel put it online.
Yeah.
So then you buy it. You could buy up to 3 of them. It's a hard piece to get. It's my last one.
Cool first special edition car. So the car here is red line. Okay. Rest day. All right. If we adding this one, let's say, how much is it?
It'll be 225. I'll do 200.
200.
Yeah.
180.
It'd be 210, but I'll add that in. Just 200. Everything.
180. Huh?
Too low, boss. What's going on? Okay.
105,
Let me see what
everything.
I got in there. 105.
Right here, right now, cash.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aduh bro, gila. Gua dapet Hot Wheel. Gue beli harganya semuanya itu $105 bro. Kayak berapa ya? Kayak 1,5 juta kayak gitu.
Here,
What's the name of your store?
J&A.
Jane.
Yeah.
Oh, I get it. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
We got huge Hot Wheels. You'd love it.
Yeah. I'll be there. All right then.
68. Get your change. 15.
Aduh, gue dapet Super Treasure Hunt juga yang rare banget. Datsun gue dapet juga. Terus juga gue dapet yang macem-macem lagi. Dan luar biasa bro, luar biasa.
Yeah, I'm here every Sunday. If it doesn't rain, I'm here every Sunday. Yeah.
Every Sunday.
Just
But
let me know what you want.
last 2 weeks you're not here, isn't it?
No, I've been here
This
last
year?
2 weeks. A month before I wasn't.
Yeah, before.
I was doing toy shows in March.
Yeah.
I had like 4 straight shows every Sunday.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, but now I'm back home, so
Sure.
I ain't leaving until June.
Tadi ada juga barang yang gue beli tuh. Tadi ada kayak kolektor gitu 5. Lu kasih tahu gue bro, itu kayak collectible gitu gak sih? Yang rare kayak gitu gak sih? Lu kasih tahu gue, education gue bro. Gue masih juga mau lihat-lihat juga terus. Dan kalau lu mau bro, lu langsung komennya di bawah, oke? Dan kita cari lagi. Masih ingat gak yang video gue sebelumnya ada bapak-bapak yang jual Hot Wheel yang rare kayak gitu, yang red line, yang tahun-tahun lama gitu bro. Duh, sayangnya gue gak ketemu kali ini. Yeah.
This would be considered a treasure hunt because it's got the Larry Woods autograph.
Oh, okay. Not all of them got a Larry Wood autograph ya?
Right.
Wow. Aduh, gue pengen banget tuh. Lu udah nonton kan videonya, jadi udahlah, mungkin lain kali lah bro, patut kita ketemu lagi sama dia, oke? Price this one. How much this one?
5.
Huh?
5. 5.
Oh, fine.
Yeah.
Fine. Can I get 4? Yeah? 4? Fine. What's name is it?
Geranio.
Huh?
Geranio.
Geranio.
Buenos días, señorita. Buenos días. Thank you.
Oke bro, itu aja kayaknya belanja kita di hari ini. Dapat barang banyak banget. Cuman kita mau cerita nih, gue mau cerita apa aja yang gue dapat di hari ini. Lu stay tune terus, oke? Gue liatin apa yang gue dapat di hari ini. Ini hari yang besar banget, luar biasa.